안녕하세요. 저는 김유현 융자전문인입니다. 2022년 이민년 새해가 밝았습니다. 시청하시는 모든 여러분 새해 복 많이 받으세요. 네, 저는 김유현입니다. 저는 웰스파고, 뱅크 오브 아메리카, 선트러스트 지금은 트루스트 은행이죠. 그 다음에 체이스, JP 모건 체이스에서 지난 8년 동안 일을 했고요. 투자 인베스트먼트 뱅커로서도 일했지만 지난 8년 동안 모르기지 론 오리지네이터 융자 전문인으로 또 일했습니다. 그리고 지금은 이렇게 나와서 모르모르게지에서 인디펜던트 브로커로 일하고 있습니다. 덕분에 좀 더 여러분께 좀 더 가깝게 다가갈 수 있고요. 가이드라인도 조금 더 자유롭게 여러분들을 도와드릴 수 있습니다. 이렇게 유튜브로 여러분들을 찾아뵙게 돼서 너무 반갑습니다. 첫 에피소드로는 가장 많이 물어보시는 질문이죠. 이자율이 뭐예요? 이자율은 어떻게 돼요? 저의 론은 이자율을 몇 퍼센트 받을 수 있나요? 이거를 가장 많이 물어보세요. 그래서 첫 에피소드는 여러분들께 이자율에 대해서 설명해 드리고 싶습니다. 이자율이 어떻게 변하고 어떤 팩터들이, 어떤 요인들이 이자율을 변화시키고 또 좀 더 정확한 이자율 정보를 드리기 위해서는 제가 고객님들한테 어떤 정보가 또 필요하고 그거를 설명해 드리고 싶습니다. 제가 인터넷으로 구글로 검색을 해서 오늘 이자율은 2% 뭐 3%에서 5% 그 중간일 것 같아요. 근데 이런 대답을 누가 원하시겠어요? 좀 더 정확한 이자율을 드리기 위해서는 첫 번째 고객님들로부터 신용 점수라든지 인컴 정보라든지 어떤 집을 사실 금액 정보라든지 다운페이라든지 이런 게 좀 더 필요합니다. 그게 이제 좀 더 정확한 이자율을 드릴 수 있는 안의 요인이라고 하면 되겠죠. 또 바깥 요인으로는 현재 지금 미국 주식시장에 다우존스라든지 다우존스 지수라든지 실업률이라든지 이런 게 또 데일리 모르기지 인트레스트 레이트 융자 이율에 또 영향을 바깥으로 또 많이 끼칩니다. I have Jenny Lang, who is the broker of our office. Jenny?
Hi, my name is Jenny. I am the broker for Motto Mortgage Cooperation. We are an independently owned and operated office within the Motto Mortgage Network, and we are an independent brokerage office. That means we are not a lender. We do not work for lenders. We work for our clients to negotiate the best loan product for our clients with the lenders. So as a broker, I'm licensed with the Georgia State Department of Banking and Finance to stay compliant as we negotiate with different lenders. And we're independently operated, so we can work with any lender that we want to as we shop around and find the best relationship and the best loan program for our clients. And Johan is a licensed loan originator, which means he is licensed specifically to negotiate those interest rates for the clients with the different lenders.
So Jenny, first episode, there was a thing that I would like to talk about and explain to our viewers. Because when I talk to my clients, the number one question my client asks me, what are the interest rates? What are the daily mortgage interest rates? And Jenny, I want us to explain our viewers about that.
Yeah, that can be a difficult question to answer because interest rates change for each borrower based on their scenario. And it's different with each lender too. So we're an independent brokerage. We work with different lenders. But those lenders get their rates and their rate differences from federal guidelines. You might have heard of Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. I printed out Fannie Mae's guidelines on how to adjust interest rates. And this is an 8-page document that we consult that tells us all the different ways that a specific interest rate can be adjusted for our clients within their guidelines that we're required to do. So things such as your credit score can affect your interest rate, including your down payment, as well as the value of the home that you are trying to purchase or refinance. All of those things need to be plugged in for a specific interest rate. We can discuss general interest rates, 3 to 6%, but that's not very helpful.
That's not very helpful, and that's not the people asking me. They want a specific, hey, what will be the interest rates in my case? And I want us to explain our viewers about which factors are impacting the interest rates.
Yeah, so if you call in and want an interest rate for today, it would be most helpful if you have an estimate of what your FICO credit score would be, as well as how much money you have available for a down payment and the value of the home that you're trying to purchase, or the value of the home that you want to refinance and how much money you're taking out that will affect the loan to value. So then Johan will compare all the different lenders, and each lender changes their interest rate daily, multiple times a day sometimes. Those interest rates will fluctuate based on the investment market. The biggest factor that affects interest rates for house mortgages is going to be based on the Dow Jones investment market. As the stock market fluctuates throughout the day, the stronger the Dow Jones is, as those rates increase, mortgage rates tend to decrease. It goes opposite. The investors feel confident in the market. If the Dow Jones is having a down day and the Dow decreases, then we see an increase in interest rates, even throughout the day. Sometimes we'll get notifications in the
Twice a
afternoon
day,
that
right.
interest rates are now higher than they were this morning. So as we shop for those rates, it's important for us to be looking for different changes in the market, such as unemployment or the number of new home construction reports that's being given by different economists to our government. Those things affect the market, which in turn affect interest rates.
Yes, and because daily mortgage interest rate fluctuates so many times during the day, what I can do for my clients, I can either lock it or float it.
What does it mean if you lock the interest rate?
If I lock it, if I see this is the best interest rate for my clients, for my applicants, I just lock it for 30 days, for 45 days, and then that interest rate is going to be our interest rate for the remainder of the process. Or if I don't see this is not the best interest rate for my clients, for my applicants, I just float it, and that means we can just leave the interest rates afloat, and while we begin the process of the loan.
We can go through the entire loan process. We can do the application, we can collect documents, we can begin processing such as getting the appraisal and the title work ready. And then Johan can lock that interest rate so that you know what to expect. You will have a set interest rate on the day of closing. The day that we determine what that interest rate is, though, can be locked at the beginning or at any point in time.
시청하시는 모든 여러분들, 오늘 제 첫 에피소드를 시청해 주셔서 너무너무 감사드립니다. 앞으로 여러분들께서 질문하시는 모든 질문들 더 유익하게, 더 정확하게 설명해 드릴 수 있도록 노력하겠습니다. 다시 한번 감사드립니다. 저는 김유현 융자전문인이었습니다. 감사합니다.